Of course, we're happy to win again, and especially away in here in Hull. So that's all. Now in the situation when one team won 12 games in a row, it's like a final for us. If you wanna be there until the end of the season, so the season is still long. It's one game to finish the first round. After start the second one, a lot of things is going to happen. It will be hard, but you have to make absolutely everything to be there. And after that, football is unpredictable. Sometimes you believe something is done and something is not done. So what we have to do is win every game and play like a less one, and we're going to try. And after that, we're going to analyze it was enough, our efforts, our performance, or not enough. And that is the goal.